This is new
He
opportunity.
got
There's
another
a
one
little
growing, and them gonna grow right there after a
And
while.
look at those little buds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one dropped. It was small, and look how big it is now. It's getting bigger.
Yeah, it's gonna get bigger. This one right here gonna turn to 1. This one gonna turn to 1. That one. So after a while, I'm gonna.
Alrighty, guys. Ooh, this eggplant is way bigger than before. Super exciting. New growth, new beginnings, and it's just gonna get bigger and bigger. Oh, just look at the sun. It's shining so bright. Where's it at? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. The sun gives us energy. Sun gives us energy as it energizes the plants. New beginnings of life.